Good day, learners. Welcome to class. Welcome to another session with Omotayo. Welcome to Biology with Omotayo. Today we'll be looking at another aspect under the kingdoms of living things. Last class we examined kingdom Plantae, and as you can see projected here, we have a chart to guide with a quick review with regards to last study. During the last study, we examined kingdom Plantae under three subdivisions: the Talophyta, the Bryophyta, and the Tracheophyta. We went on to look at various examples associated with the subdivisions. You can get this from the last class recording. Before we moved on to looking at the Tracheophyta, which are referred to as vascular plants. The Tracheophyta further splitted to Pteridophyta and Spermatophyta. The Pteridophyta are the non-flowering, not seed producing, while the Spermatophyta are flowering and the seed producing. In fact, the Spermatophyta contains the most advanced, most complex plant form. This very Spermatophyta was further subdivided into gymnosperms and angiosperms, or what you say gymnospermae and angiospermae. For the gymnospermae, the seeds are naked and borne on special structures called cones. We have examples like the ferns, examples like the pine, cycads, ginkgos, conifers. And then from there we moved on to look at the angiospermae. For angiospermae, this is where we have the most advanced plants that carry out fertilization and even pollination. Here, seeds are born in fruits. Seeds are born in fruits. They are enclosed in fruits. And the very sub angiospermae now was further divided into monocotyledonous plants and dicotyledonous plants. Justice were done to all this in our previous class. Today, we'll be moving on to the fifth kingdom, that is kingdom Animalia. I repeat, kingdom Animalia. Come along with me. And please, before then, I believe you have subscribed. If you have not, kindly subscribe to this channel. Endeavor to share same with your friends, with your colleagues, and with loved ones, so that collectively we will appreciate in value as we learn. Thank you. Come along with me as we examine kingdom Animalia. So now we are in kingdom Animalia. For kingdom Animalia, we have a couple of phylum. So before we will be looking at details, we first learn to be able to carefully list the phylum. In all, we will be looking at 9 phyla under kingdom Animalia. The first, phylum Porifera, phylum Coelentrata, phylum Platyhelminthes, okay, so the 9 phyla are listed out here. We have Porifera, phylum Coelentrata, phylum Platyhelminthes, phylum Nematoda, phylum Annelida, phylum Mollusca, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Echinodermata, and phylum Chordata. Okay, and this you should learn to be able to list. Yes, you can come up with a couple of mnemonics or a way to write it. Like, for example, I will be teaching you one. Okay, so come with me. Porifera, Coelentrata, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Chordata. Again, Porifera, Coelentrata, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Chordata. So this is just a rhyme that can help and assist with being able to easily recall the 9 phyla under kingdom Animalia. The Porifera basically contains primitive organisms, and the Coelentrata, just as you can see, another name, cnidaria, okay, contain a couple of slightly advanced organisms like the Coelentrata, while for your phylum Platyhelminthes, we have organisms basically referred to as flatworms. And for Nematoda, organisms here are basically roundworms. For the Annelida, organisms here are basically the segmented worms. And then for Phylum Mollusca, this is where we have organisms like our snail that has body divided basically into 2, which is the visceral mass and the foot, alongside some more advanced form under mollusca still with multiple legs and so on. We'll be looking at it in detail when the time comes. Then phylum Arthropoda. This is the largest arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda is the phylum with the largest population of organisms. Yes, this is the most successful phylum. Phylum Arthropoda, the most successful phylum. Members of this phylum have the ability to survive under very adverse conditions. They have great ability to conserve water and to conserve energy. They do have exoskeleton. A majority do have exoskeleton and jointed appendages that do enable them to move. The exoskeleton for protection and equally covers and shield from easily losing water. After that, we have phylum Echinodermata. Phylum Echinodermata. And then lastly, we are having phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata. Again, phylum Chordata. Thank you. Now, for phylum Chordata, we equally have a couple of subphylum that should be looked at. Yes, we have what we call Urochordata. We have what is called Cephalochordata. And then we have the most advanced, which is Vertebrata. Vertebrata. Now, we'll quickly look at the classes under Vertebrata. Come with me. Okay? Welcome back. Now, as you can see, phylum Chordata splitted to Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. I told you we'll be looking at the classes under Vertebrata. So, under Vertebrata, that is the most advanced form of animal, we have 5 classes: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. I come again: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Okay, just like we had a rhyme earlier with regards to the phyla, that is Porifera, Coelentrata, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Chordata. In same vein, we can have a simple rhyme for this as well: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, Mammalia. Again, Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, Mammalia. Okay, so these are the classes under Vertebrata, the most advanced form of kingdom Animalia. Remember, like the Urochordata do have the notochord at primitive form, developing larvae stage, but it disappears at maturity. The Cephalochordata do have the notochord at developing stage that equally matures into adulthood. And for vertebrata, they have notochords during development stage, and this is transformed into what we call spinal cord at adult form. By next class, we will start examining each phylum under kingdom Animalia, starting from phylum Porifera. So, see you next class. Endeavor to come along, inform your friends and colleagues, endeavor to subscribe as well, encourage others to subscribe. This will go a long way to help us on this channel. Thank you. See you next class. From the intricate working of the cells to classification of living things, from the mechanism